Yeah. So let's get the coil out. And then we'll pull the manifold.
You can leave the manifold on.
I mean, depends how you want to do it, Sherman.
Well, you can still do
Well,
it.
don't you have a lift plate? Just put it over the car opening and put
Yeah,
bolts
because
on it?
one you don't want to.
Nope.
You don't want this thing to
Now,
turn.
the reason for that is we want to be able to tilt this engine.
Because this has the trans on it.
And if we don't tilt the engine, we risk damaging the transmission tunnel and the core
That thing's
support.
tighter than this. Yeah, let me hold this one. Yeah.
With my Eldorado,
What's your hand on this thing?
Centralized engine. That's why I've got a lift plate.
Well, lift plate will work because the engine will be
There you
balanced,
go.
but we've also got a big honking transmission out the back.
Yeah, that's.
So the lift plate will allow us to balance all of that.
What's this thing go to? Oh, that's the.
That's that one we pulled off the carb.
Oh, that's that's the. Vacuum.
This one, pull the one next to it.
This one?
Yeah, pull that
Oh,
little
oh,
guy.
this side here.
Yeah, pull that little guy, get the coil off. There we go.
Probably won't be able to do it with that.
Oh, there you
You lucky bastard.
go. Damn. Chuck,
Oh, this isn't really connected. This isn't connected to anything.
Yeah, it
Oh,
was.
oh, I see. It's just.
It goes to this
just
vacuum
for
slash fuel.
But what's happened here is this has been so oil soaked, it's all smooshy. It actually got big. It increased in
It's
size.
swollen.
Turgid.
It's all swole.
It's swole.
It's swole.
Swole.
Yeah, see the difference in size between the two of them? See how one's bigger than the other?
Yeah.
All right, almost out. Chuck, what are you doing?
Is that hosing?
You checking the shaft?
No, gland, I'm making sure.
Oh,
Didn't want to blow out.
yeah, no blowing out.
Bolts in them?
How many bolts do we have out of that there manifold?
Supposedly all of them.
There's gonna be 8.
There's 8 total.
only have 5 there?
Yeah, there's got to go back
There's
under
4
there.
on each side.
There's one. That's one. There might be one under this throttle.
4 on each side.
Need top of
Rache,
the Reche.
Rache.
These things don't break loose at all, do they?
All right, guys,
I'll lift it.
lift that baby out. It's not that bad. They're very, very easy.
That is cast iron, isn't it?
There you go, guys.
Once it's out.
Careful. Careful. Ta-da! Intake manifold out. All right, we need bolts. Well, actually, probably could use the manifold bolts.
That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm talking about right
Get me forward them there bolts, sir.
Knock, knock.
Coming through. Going in. I mean, coming out. What are we doing? We need front and back. Who's going front? Who's going back? Which way do you want to go, Sherman? That way? Or that way? There we go. All right, let's go. In.
Okay, where do our bolts
So we just need
go?
a, there's one of them right here.
All right, so we're going to go front and front. Sherman, you want to come down?
Yep.
Does it matter which one?
Go like that, right there, front
You want
and
in
back.
the middle one, or there's another one?
Goes
further
far back,
Further
probably.
back. Far back as possible. That way we've got the ability to
Can we
manage
get,
the load.
we're gonna
bolts?
need
Need 4 bolts.
3 manifold bolts. He's got one of them, so.
Okay. You guys have washer on them?
No,
Make sure the washer's on it,
So this one has a washer.
You want washers?
please.
Okay, this one has a washer.
Yes, we absolutely have to have washers.
I'll
We
take
do not want pull-through.
Yeah, no.
Pull-through is
One more.
bad. Especially when it happens with the engine in the air.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's not fun.
Need a
Okay.
fourth one?
We need one more here.
There you go.
Here, hand me one. I can do it while filming.
Well, you're an expert at that.
Multitask!
One-handed, pull an engine, make the movie.
Can you lower that a little?
I already put an engine in today.
Oh,
And
you've done this before.
I put an engine in today.
How do we go down?
I put mine back in on Sunday. in my
Just a
car.
little bit. I just need a little space on mine.
All right, crank those down, boys.
But actually, what we need to do.
They need to crank down or just crank?
I've got the rest.
First, you can
That's
go.
hand done. You want to just.
Yeah, let's do them all first.
Okay, so what we have to do is this.
What's up, Sherman? Ooh, yeah.
Thank you.
Sherman's pulling out. All right, somebody crank that down with a ratchet.
Yeah, that back one has
the rest shape.
I just.
How about it with the ratchet shape, boys?
Flip the thing because it was.
The thing, you know,
There we go.
the thingy. All the way to the back.
Because we have to have the maximum separation to be able to manage the load.
I'm just gonna clean this off.
Otherwise, we put them together right there. It's gonna be a whole crack.
Cold beer.
Yeah. Now that back one on this side, I didn't ratchet down. I just
So we need to crank
did a
those.
hand tight. So
Just a handy.
That's actually okay.
Yeah, it'll be all right. Yeah, I don't need to crank these. It's fine.
Yeah, they're not going to come out.
yeah.
As long as they're sent more or less home, we're good.